exhibition theme, The Birds of Paradise. It's about feathers and plumes in fashion that show how different designers use feathers as their expression. We are now looking at the Thierry Mugler dress, where you see a butterfly made of different birds' feathers. Here we see a collection of feather fans. Feather fans were always a kind of status symbol of queens and rich people to show off their power and their wealth. In the 1920s, we see a change because before that, in the end of the 19th century, mostly feathers were used on hats and on very big accessories. The Marlene Dietrich coat from 1957 was a coat that she had made because she was getting a bit older and she wanted to look still very glamorous. In this room we see an installation by Anne de Meulemeester, the Belgian fashion designer, who has all her career she worked with feathers, especially pigeon feathers. For this exhibition we also invited a British sculptor, Kate Maguire. In this particular piece, Gyre, there are more than 45,000 crow feathers. In film costume, we can see that black and white feathers are often used. Here we see Marlene Dietrich again. The last group of the exhibition is dedicated to Yves Saint Laurent, one of the greatest designers of the 20th century.